Welcome to our van life with our three Chihuahua girls, episode 82. It's Adventure Van Expo time. We are in Lake Tahoe, here to camp with friends and see different van mods and builds. Check them out with us.
You take care of business. So this is our camping spot at Palisades Tahoe. As you can see, it's a little bit of a ski resort in the winter. It's part of the Olympic Village. Pretty cool spot, not too cold. Last night, van got to down in the 50s, but we didn't use our heater. And we're excited to go out, but here's the facilities. Have bathrooms and lots of areas for disposing of your waste, and it's a little bit past 7 a.m. so people are starting to get up and get going over to where the show is at. Some really cool morning clouds too with the sunrise here. This is the other side of the big lodge office. Got some condo, hotels, village, Palisades. We went over there last night. I think the expo is over that way. Got some snow cats ready to be used once it gets snow up here, and a bunch of chairlifts. So this is the Far East Express. Big old chairs. This is probably a quad, I would imagine. Might be a triple. That goes all the way up there and actually crisscrosses with another chairlift. I haven't seen that before. The coolest thing about these van expos is you have a assortment of every type of van, from old school Vanagons and Overlanders down there, even some Jeeps, to our little area that has the Storytellers over down there. Oh, there's the ambulance guy too. You even have a little adventure area with a field van team and a climbing wall. And then here is Storyteller Row, where we pretty much put all the storytellers, including some of our friends and some of our new friends. Coffee and breakfast in the works. Some pretty skies up here in the mountains. You doing okay with this elevation, Chihuahua? We are just under potential elevation problems for people and dogs with heart issues. Happy Saturday, everybody. We are here again at another Adventure Van Expo. This time we're in Tahoe at the Olympic Village, Squaw Valley area. And this is in North Lake Tahoe. If you haven't been here, this is actually first for us. I've usually gone to South Lake Tahoe, so really cool views here in September, and a ski resort that is not operational, but they do have the gondola running, so we'll show you that a little bit sooner. But we're about to head over to the show. Most of our friends have already gone over, so we're gonna see more vendors and see what all of the van companies have to offer. And there's supposed to be music and food, so we will most likely have some fun and get these doggies nice and tired so that they're nice and civil with everybody. They're having fun though. Side saddling. She's got one arm out. All right. No outside booze. Come on now. Here is the expo. That standing folding table for sure. This is a Ford Transit. That's the CA Tune bumper and winch. So you can buy it through Grit Overland or Owl or anybody who works within that, so they can do the light installations. See, there's Baja lights. They can do the bumper. They can do the Baja lights up top. They can do the van compass shocks and those types of installs.
Why am I drawing like front runner?
Yeah, front runner.
Which I don't. It's really. I'm really surprised that they do a 2-rack system up there. That's why I was trying to get Michael to do that, because that's a new one. It has the integrated-
Michael told me he's like,
cooking temperature. So if you're using like foraged wood, you want to cook over flame, you can control the temperature. And they meet the national park and national forest requirements for an enclosed fire container. So if they have a fire ring only restriction, you can still use these in the backcountry. You don't have to use them inside a fire ring.
Very cool.
They're all stainless steel, but we use a hybrid stainless. Has a really high heat resistance. It's not like standard 304 that likes to twist under heat. So it acts more like carbon steel under heat, but it's still rust resistant. Yeah, it's a really nice fabric. We've been really happy with that.
Okay. And is there any cleaning, not to do's on this? Like
No, they're dishwasher safe.
Okay.
So if you want to use it at a campground, a camping trip, and then you get home and throw it in the dishwasher, I will recommend on the grill plate itself to use spray it with some barbecue cleaner.
Okay.
Before you throw it in the dishwasher.
What about just day-to-day cleaning if you're going to keep using it?
We just kind of scrape it off. Yeah. If you're by a creek with gravel, I call it nature's sink.
Yeah.
Just run down, rub some gravel on the plates.
And it's not going to scratch it?
No.
Oh, wow.
No.
What is it? What is this?
So it's a 3CR12 hybrid stainless steel.
Okay.
There's no nickel content, which is what keeps it from warping.
Mm-hmm.
Nickel's also soft.
Right.
So this is a chromium-based stainless steel. So it's really hard, and it's got a really high heat resistance.
Okay. Yeah, I'd say we get that, and I would get the griddle plate too, so we can do
bacon and eggs, pancakes, French toast.
Exactly.
With eggs, because it's really hard to level, especially if you're in outdoors.
Yeah, you want a little ridge.
So what I'll do is either onion or bell pepper. Cut it in rings, throw the ring on the grill, and then break your egg inside of it. And that holds the egg in, and then you end up with a kind of cool little omelet.
Or get those little molds.
Yeah, you can do the silicone molds and use those as well.
Cool. Yeah. Let's do it. Beginning of the aerial tram, and it goes all the way up there. You can see one is hitting the top and then keeps on going. So we just got some yummy looking food to chill out with chihuahuas.
Stroller for my cats.
Oh, nice. And we got a brat, and we got some chicken, and chihuahuas be looking to eat, that's for sure. Good morning from Squaw Valley. Get a little light filtration.
Chewbacca.
Who's in Tahoe? Okay, let me do it from this angle. Hey everybody, we are leaving another Adventure Van Expo. Had so much fun meeting and seeing all of our friends, lots of new friends, and lots of new vendors that we talked to and bought some cool new stuff. which we're excited to show you.
So we are headed home. We had a great time here at Lake Tahoe Palisades, Palisades, and it's a quick trip, but we will be back for more.
Absolutely. So this is Van Doggies leaving Lake Tahoe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Parking lot emptying.